Remarketing to app users. Hey there again, my dear friends. Let's now create a remarketing campaign that you can use to reach your Facebook app users. Start on the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard and click on the Tools menu in the top left corner and click on the Audiences shortcut link in the Assets section of the Tools menu to go to the Audiences page. Now click on the Create Audience drop-down menu and then click on the Custom Audience option. Now select the App Activity option. This option will allow you to create and retarget a list of people who have launched your apps or games on Facebook. Now it is time to create your new app user custom audience. Start by selecting whom to either include, people who meet any of your retargeting criteria, or people who meet all your retargeting criteria. Now select the app that you want to retarget users of. After selecting your app, you have to select your app user retargeting criteria in the menu below. There are several app user retargeting criteria available. You can retarget anyone who opened the app and select how many days after opening your app should targets remain in this audience. You can retarget most active users and then select the top percentile of active users to target, as well as to select how many days after being active users should remain in this audience. You can retarget users by purchased amount, and then select the top percentile of users that have spent the most money on your app as targets, as well as how many days after spending money in your app should targets remain in this audience. Lastly, you can retarget users by segment, by targeting segments of app users that you can define by actions taken, demographics, devices used, and more. Remember that you can click on Include More to include additional retargeting criteria, or on Exclude to add criteria that excludes visitors from being retargeted if they meet your excluding criteria. Now name your new app user audience in the Audience Name box and click on Create Audience. You can now start remarketing to your app users by clicking on Create an Ad using the audience. Now select your remarketing objective in the campaign page. For this example, we are going to select the traffic objective. Now name your new remarketing campaign in the campaign name field, and then click on the Ad Set section shortcut in the left-hand menu. Start by naming your new ad set in the Ad Set name field. Now select the website option in the conversion section. Now select whether to activate or not activate an offer in your ad set in the offer section, and move to the audience section. As you can see, our new app user audience is already selected in the custom audiences section, because we opted to create an ad with this audience after we set it up. Remember that you can adjust additional audience targeting options in the audience section, better to refine your target audience. In our case, we are only going to enter the English language in the Languages section to target English speakers among our app users, because we are going to send them to our website. Now in the Placement section, we recommend you to select the Automatic Placements option in order to reach your app users in all placements. Now in the Budget and Schedule section, we recommend you to set a daily budget of $5 up to $30 and to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option in the Schedule section to run your ad continuously for 14 straight days. Now click on Continue and proceed to edit your ad creative. Enter your ad name in the Ad Name box and select whether to create a new ad or to use an existing post. If you decide to create a new ad, you'll have to select your format, your ad images or videos, to edit your links, your copy, and your calls to action. In our example case, we are going to select the Use Existing Post option to use one of our posts with clickable URLs already in place to send app users to our website. We will simply have to select our Facebook page in the Identity section and then to select our promoted post on the Creative section. Remember to check the Ad Preview section to see how your new remarketing ad will look on your target placements, and then to click on the Confirm button and to wait for your remarketing ad to be approved. And that is it. Your app users will now be re-engaged the right way.